Hey guys, Matt here with HABESHA Finance. Thanks so much for tuning in. We are getting ready to start our first home project. We are going to build out the master closet. And so as you see right behind me, we've got a lot of these metal shelves. And when we moved in, this is all that was in here. We had all our clothes all over here. And now we're about to build the closet out. My little daughter is really excited about this, so should be fun. So we got more metal shelves over here. We got more metal shelves over here. We got a cool little skylight that goes up in the middle of the closet. And basically, talking to my wife, we are going to have some organizers, some new shelving, shoe racks. Looking at this door right here, we're gonna remove this door. We're gonna take it out completely. We may do something with it. The floor, we're actually gonna take the floor out and we're gonna replace it with some engineered hardwood. We don't need anything like really crazy and really expensive. And so we're gonna put padding under there. I'm gonna strip the entire floor, the entire carpet, get rid of it. I'm gonna show you that process. And we're gonna paint the walls. We're gonna replace the light fixture. So building out a closet like this can cost you at least $3,000, and it just goes up from there. $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $15,000, my wife is telling me. So my plan is to try to keep it under $2,000. We're really excited. I'm really excited because this is like our first major home project. I've been working outside in the grass, and I'll show you guys some things that I do with the grass to maintain it and to keep it nice. But I don't know. Babe, do you have anything else you want to say?
Let's get to work.
That's right. Get to work. Get this honey-do list started. Let's do this. So make sure you subscribe. We're going to do more videos, and we're going to show you the entire process. I'm going to take you video by video by video of what we're going to be doing. And hopefully, you know, from beginning to end, this place, this room, this closet is going to look 10 times better than what it does right now. I'll see you guys in the next video.